Hello everyone, welcome to day 13 of our editing tutorial in CapCut. I don't believe it that we are already in day 13. So today, as you can see in the title that on the screen, is that how we are going to color grade our video. In this situation, maybe you recorded, the place that you recorded the video is dark, so that is what we are going to, I'm going to show you how you can brighten it, you can color grade it and make it beautiful. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into the video. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So as you can see this video, you can see that is so as you can see this video, you can see that is very dull, dark, dull. If somebody posts this kind of a video, who will watch it? There is no that mood there. It's not colorful, it's nothing, it's just dull. So today I'm going to color grade it. You can see it's as if there is no light in my face and everything, and then that is what we are going to do. So as we are going, there's first of all what we are going to do is tap on the video, you retouch your face, you know it now. So let's go there and then let's retouch this face so that you can make it beautiful. If you have not know how to retouch, we have already do a class on it, so that one is not something I'm teaching us. I'm going to, so you can see that I've brightened my face. If there is I'm talking, I'm not sure I'm talking, but I can just add a teeth whitening a little bit. Okay, so it's okay, that is that. Then it wants to brighten the background and then the video. Okay, so we'll go to, you go and look for adjust down here. Okay, I've taught us already, but this one is, you see, you can see adjust here. Tap on the adjust. When you tap on the adjust, it's going to come like this, and then you come to brightness. You're bringing brightness because it's like color grading means it wants to correct the color. That is what it means. So you can see it here, and can't you see? Sometimes you don't even need enough light like that. They have make all these things easier for us. You can see it. If I take it to down, you can see it's too bright. If I take it down again, it's too dark. So you can see it. So we are going to take it at least something that we need. So just try to look for a way out for it so you can see it. I think it's okay like this. It has brightened again. Now what's next? You are going to contrast it so that you at least make it me. I normally I use minus. I've told us as I'm doing this, you do the one that will fit the video that you are recording. Okay, you know, so most of my video I don't do most of this thing like this, but just simply because this video is dark, I need to brighten it. That's why I'm doing all this. So saturate, you can see it, you can see it, see what saturate is doing. Okay, you can see the video is changing it. Just add little of this, then sharpen it a little bit also. And sharpen it up to 100 so that I can make it very clear. Then clear it also, make it very clear also. Okay, so HSL, I told you, is a particular picture color. So this one is purple, and it is too white, so I can then add more purple to it so that at least let it show. I don't want white, I want it to be more purple. Okay, so I might make it 100 so that at least let it show a little bit. Okay, there is no pink there, the only thing that is there is purple. And then red, my Christmas cap on my head is red, so you can just add a little bit to make it more red. And then you can see what I've turned this picture to, from this to this. So that is what I've turned this picture to. So as you can see, the way we have transformed this dull video, it has, let's play it and see how it look. You can see it. Oh my God. If it is too much, you can come back again and reduce it. Let me see. I think assuming is too much. Assuming, we are just assuming is too much. Can come back again to reduce it a little bit. Can reduce it. You can reduce it. You can reduce it a little bit, and then let's play it again. I think this one is perfect. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. So I believe you are learning something. Okay, you can see it from dull to brightness. Who can believe that is that dull video that I used to do that I turn around to get this beautiful, as if this is the way I recorded it, as if this light, the light that I have is so bright like this. So you can see. So such is just a simple way to do it, and then I really believe that we are learning a lot of things on this video. So, and that is it for today on CapCut editing series that we are doing. And as you can see that you can come from dull to brightness. So gone are the days that you need, your light must be bright before you can then record or anything. You can see that even you record in the dark, you can, there is a way around it by yourself, that you can adjust this thing yourself and be able to get the color, the perfect color that you really want. So it is so easy with just a few trick and few tips there you can get it. So thank you so much. So I really appreciate it. I'm so far happy, and I know this is going to help somebody also out there. So thank you so much for joining me. My name still remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. Still watch the next video that you're going to see on your screen, okay? Because it's still going to be a continuity of CapCut, and then I will see you in day 14. Bye.